Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, I am going to explain about data validation feature in MS Excel. So it helps you control what user can enter in cells. So it is widely used to ensure accuracy and consistency and to prevent the errors in the spreadsheets. So in the data validation allows us to restrict the type of the data. So numbers and text and dates, etc. So it limits the values within a range. So we can create the drop down list and we can also show that input messages and error alerts by using the data validation here. So we have options here, settings and input messages and error alert. So here we have different types of data validations. So whole numbers, so you can see that whole number and decimal, list and date, time, text length and custom. So whole numbers allows only numbers within the specific range. So for example, numbers between 1 to 100, 1 to 100 and list will take drop down. So let's use select from the predefined options. Example, yes or no or maybe anything. So date and time restrict that to specific dates or times. For example, dates after so 1st January 2020, it will not accept that. So text length here you can see that it limits the number of characters. For example, maximum 10 characters, like that. It will take only up to 10 characters. So custom will take uses the formulas for advanced validation. So for example, it allow only even numbers. So mod of a1 comma 2 equals to 0. So it will take only mod of numbers. So I will show you how we applying the data validation in this session. So see that. So now I am entering ID and name here. So I am taking age. So I am selecting the cells up to sum. Then select the data validation. Then go to the data validation in the settings. So here you can see that validation criteria. Then click on that. So I am taking the whole number. So whole numbers, here we have data between minimum number and maximum number. So minimum number I am taking 1 and maximum number I am taking 15. So it should allow only 1 to 15 numbers. So it will not accept, after when we are entering 20 and 30, so it should not accept that. So and I am setting the input message for that. So numbers should be below 15. So between should be between 15. I'm setting that message. So error alert, you can also set that message. Cannot enter after 15. So I'm setting this message. Then click OK here. So see that. So you can see that number should be between 15. It shows that message, error message. So then enter that one and name something I am taking, age I am taking. So 2. So now I am entering 20 here. So see that cannot enter after 15 numbers. So see that it shows that error. So whatever we have set in that. So if you want to retry, so it will not accept that. So see that. Suppose if you are entering 3, so it will accept. So it will accept up to 15. So up to 15 numbers. So see that when you are entering 20, so it will not accept whatever we have set that error message. So it will raise that error message when we are enter after 15 number. So if you want to clear these rules, so just select that. Then go to the data validation. Here we have clear validations. So you can also use that clear all. So see that all the messages are vanished from this. So then okay. So see that. So the messages was not visible here. See that. So this is all about data validation. So thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.